Want to access your Gmail on your iPhone's Mail app? This video will guide you through setting it up using IMAP, the recommended protocol for syncing emails across devices. By the end of this video, you'll be able to send and receive emails from your Gmail account directly on your iPhone. IMAP allows seamless synchronization of your emails across multiple devices, ensuring you stay connected wherever you are. The iPhone's built-in Mail app provides a native and secure way to manage your Gmail account with full IMAP support. IMAP, or Internet Message Access Protocol, is the technology that keeps your Gmail emails synchronized between your iPhone and Google's servers. This means that when you read, delete, or organize emails on your iPhone, those same changes are automatically reflected in your Gmail on any other device you use, like a computer or tablet. Unlike older protocols like POP3, which downloads emails to a single device and removes them from the server, IMAP maintains a connection to the server. IMAP creates a live connection between Google's email servers and your devices, allowing for real-time synchronization of all your email activities. Because of this synchronization capability, IMAP is considered the best method for managing a Gmail account across multiple devices like phones, computers, and tablets. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is the app with the gear icon that controls all your device settings. Once in Settings, scroll down through the menu until you find the Mail option. It's usually located in the middle section of the settings list. In the Mail settings screen, tap on Accounts. This will show you all your current email accounts and give you options to manage them. In the Accounts section, tap Add Account at the bottom. This is where you'll set up new email accounts on your iPhone. From the list of account providers, choose Google. This tells your iPhone to set up a Gmail account specifically. A Gmail sign-in page will appear in your browser or within the setup process. This is Google's secure login interface. Enter your Gmail address and password in the provided fields. Make sure to use your full Gmail email address and the correct password. Two-factor authentication adds crucial security by requiring a second verification step beyond just your password. If you have 2FA enabled on your Gmail account, which is highly recommended, you'll need to create an app-specific password for the iPhone Mail app setup. This app password allows the Mail app to connect securely without using your main account password, which helps protect your account from potential security risks. To create an app password, start by visiting your Google account settings in a web browser. Navigate to the main settings menu, then select the security option from the menu to access security settings. In the security section, find and select two-step verification. Here, you can generate a new app password specifically for your iPhone Mail setup. Once generated, copy the app password and use it during the iPhone Mail app setup process instead of your regular Gmail password. This ensures secure access while maintaining the protection of 2FA. After entering your credentials or app password, you'll be asked what you want to sync: mail, contacts, calendars, and notes. Choose the options you want and then tap Save. Your Gmail account is now added to your iPhone. If you're having trouble adding your Gmail account, first double-check your password. This is especially important if you're using two-factor authentication, as you'll need an app-specific password instead of your regular login password. Next, make sure the Mail option is enabled in your account settings on the iPhone. This allows the Mail app to access your Gmail account properly. Also, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Poor connectivity can prevent the setup from completing successfully. If these steps don't resolve the issue, try deleting the Gmail account from your iPhone and then re-adding it from scratch. This often fixes persistent setup problems. Here are essential security tips to protect your Gmail account and ensure safe email access on your iPhone. First, always use a strong, unique password for your Google account. Avoid common words or simple patterns. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Never reuse passwords across different accounts. Second, enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. This adds an extra layer of protection beyond your password. For IMAP access on iPhone, you'll need to generate an app-specific password through your Google account settings. Third, regularly review your account activity and security settings. Use Google Security Checkup to monitor recent logins, connected devices, and third-party access. Check for any suspicious activity and revoke access from unknown devices. Finally, be cautious of phishing emails and suspicious websites. Never click links or enter your password on sites that look questionable. Always verify the URL and sender before taking action. Use Gmail's built-in filters and report suspicious messages. As technology continues to evolve, the future of email on iOS promises exciting advancements that will transform how you manage your Gmail account. One major development is the tighter integration of artificial intelligence for email management. AI will help with smart sorting of messages, suggest automated replies, and prioritize important emails, making your inbox more efficient. Enhanced security features will include biometric authentication for app passwords. Instead of remembering complex passwords, you can use Face ID or Touch ID to securely access your Gmail settings. Future security advancements may include end-to-end encryption for IMAP connections and improved privacy controls, as shown in iOS settings. These features will protect your email data and give you more control over your privacy. Overall, these technological advancements will make managing your email on the iPhone even more seamless and secure, enhancing your productivity and peace of mind.